Thor. Aw. Bring it over here. Come on. No, where are you going? Hi, Thor. Hello. Hi, Thor. Hello. Sure. You wanna play? It's Thor. Oh, food. Water.
So I got to sit in this for the past 2 hours.
Here, Thor.
Hey, next time, you don't have to add that much water.
Gio did it. Oh. Get it.
What'd you say?
Get it, Thor.
Hey, Thor. Eat. Go. Come here, Thor. Good boy. Good boy. Eat, Thor.
Oh, he's so cute. He has a black stripe. He's like a skunk. Someone said he was like a skunk. But not anymore because he's not stinky. Because he just got a bath. I hope all the fleas are off though.
It'll take a couple showers.
Really?
Yeah. Good boy, Thor.
Yum, yum.
Where's you taking him from? Thor, where are you taking him from?
He's happy now because he has no fleas. Or few fleas. Oh, is there one on your ear? Is there one on your ear? Look at that. There's one on your ear.
Here.
Don't want to go outside. But he just got a shower. No? No? You want to go outside? Want more food? Here, play with it, Dom. It likes its lion toy.
Yeah, it does.